After finishing this activity, you'll be able to change cell format in an Excel workbook. Changing cell format. Excel will default to certain styles when you create a new worksheet. In particular, this includes the way that numbers are displayed and whether or not commas are automatically included or not. In this tutorial, we will take a look at changing these defaults. Because sometimes you will need to format your cells to properly display the information you are entering in the way you want. Therefore, you should consider formatting your cells before you enter the data. Otherwise, Excel may convert some of the entries and you will need to re-enter that information again. For example, if you type 12\15\17 as an expression of certain data, Excel will convert this to be read as 15th of December 2017, assuming you were entering month, day, and abbreviated year. Another example is when you enter 3/4 or third quarter, this will be displayed as the 4th of March. Changing cell format. There are several methods for changing cell format. But before we choose any method, you have to always remember by beginning to highlight the cells you plan to use. Here, I will highlight these cells in order to apply the cell format I want. After highlighting the cells I plan to use, the first method is by selecting the Format drop-down menu from the Cells group of the ribbon. Here, in the Cells group, I click on Format and the drop-down menu appears. We select the Format Cells option at the bottom of the drop-down menu. There are several available format options for cells in Excel. When you select one, Excel will provide you with a description and examples of how the information will display in the cells. Here, choosing number, for example, gives you a description and examples of how the numbers will appear. Currency, date, time, percentage, and you can choose to select one of those. Another easy method to apply cell format on the cells you have selected is by using the number group in the ribbon. By clicking on the small arrow in the right bottom corner of the number group, the same drop-down menu of Method 1 appears, and you can select the option you want to format your cells.